Hey everybody, Matt Justin here with another COVID-19 legal update. So the IRS has finally gotten off the dime and started to provide some information to employers about how they're going to be able to qualify for the tax credits that are available under the Families First COVID Response Act. So as just a quick reminder, if you are a covered employer, which is generally employers with 500 or fewer employees, then you are eligible to receive these tax credits for the payment of wages to employees if they take the paid sick leave that's available under the Act, or the expanded FMLA, which is also available under the Act. So in order to qualify for the tax credits, you are going to have some documentation available. So the first is some pretty basic documentation that you might not be surprised to hear about. The first being is that you have to have the employee's name, the dates that the employee was on leave, and then a statement that of one of the 6 reasons why the employee is taking the leave. So those are the 6 statements that were available under the statute. I've talked about them before, but we'll include those 6 statements down below as well. And then a statement that the employee is unable to work, including by means of telework, for that reason that you just said in the previous item. So if you've got employees that you have to, who are requesting the leave and are being given the leave, then there has to be a reason why, and a reason why they're unable to work by telework. So if you happen to be say, an HVAC company, it's going to be a little hard to do HVAC repairs from their home. So something like that. So if the case is based upon, or if the reason why the leave is being asked is because of a quarantine order or a self-isolation recommendation from a medical professional, you should be including that information as well. So if the government decides to quarantine some folks, then include that information. If the order is coming from a doctor to self-isolate, you want to include the information of the doctor, as well as that the order has been because of a medical order. That should come from a qualified physician, nurse practitioner, or other healthcare provider, so that that's in there. If the leave is because expanded FMLA, which is generally going to be provided for parents who need to take care of children because the school or daycare facility is closed, you need to name the school and the daycare facility. So, what does all of that mean? Well, that's the first part of things, and we'll talk about the second part of things in another email or another video that's going to come out in a little bit. I'll talk to everybody later. Bye-bye.